homework is exactly the same as Friday night's homework, except for one very important point. And the very important point is that I want you to take your study sheet again. See where it says homework number 13 at the top? We could switch that to number 14 now and use exactly the same sheet, because it has exactly the important list of terms, and it has the additional piece, which is the study log at the bottom, where I would like you to record how many minutes you studied, sign off on it, and then if you study with a friend or a parent, have them sign off to say that you studied your flashcards for that certain amount of time. As I said on Friday when we did our tracker, if you scored an 80% or over on all three of those weekly exit tickets, then you're in really good shape, and we should be looking for about 15 to 20 minutes a night. If you scored less than 80%, try to push that time up to, say, 30 minutes, and if you did it in two 15-minute sections, I think that would be good. But really, make sure you spend the time with the flashcards. Now, what I would like to do for the next 15 minutes is put out the sheets for us to complete our flashcards. Because over the weekend you studied the ones that you had done in class on Friday. Tonight I want you to study all of them. So let's work for 15 minutes to complete flashcards. If you have completed them, I will come see you individually, and we'll do some extension to prep you for the test. But if you have not, please take out your flashcards that you have, take out your sheet so you know which ones you've collected, and you can use it as a checklist. I will put out the sheets, and we remember the routine. The routine, which is, you may talk to your neighbor in a very quiet voice. You may and are expected to stand up and move from table to table or from station to station. And right now, it is not so necessary to do the drawings. I really want the term on one side of the card and two facts about the term on the reverse side. You can do the drawings as you study, as reminder, little reminder sketches. Are we all set to go? I will put the sheets out, and you get yourselves kind of ready to go, and I'll do it right now. Let's go. Who's this? I made extra sheets, so each table will actually have two big pages. Is there any questions, any problems with your flashcards over the weekend? No? As we did the other day, as you need flashcards, raise your hand and say more cards, and I will bring them to you. Questions? Questions? Cards? Cards are coming. We're going to rock you with cards. Okay, let's go. Find the place where you left off on Friday, and let's pick it up. And you're finished, Jocelyn, so I will be right back to you when you deliver some cards. Who needs cards? Right? I'm ready. Cards, cards, cards. Cards. Who needs cards? Cards. Cards. Remember, we don't have a lot of time. We have 13 and a half minutes left. Go as quickly as you can. Quickly as you can. This is the last chance you'll have access to my notes. You want to come over? You did. This stuff. So you did them all. Has anybody else in this room completed their flashcards? Is it? Jennifer Mendoza, you in here? Me? Perfect, excellent, good job. Who needs cards? Who needs cards? It's not close to head, Sometimes you had to do this. You have to take your binder home.